Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys. Thank you for your support. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to exchange bet into Rands. As you can see, how much I have, 148.7 USD. Okay, now we have to go to it to exchange it to XRP or ripples. Okay, go to send Uphold card and then search for XRP. Here we go, and then use all available amount from this card. As you can see guys, here confirm and then confirm. I have successfully transferred my bet to Ripple wallet. Go to menu. Okay guys, I have to select my XRP account. And then send to cryptocurrencies or utility tokens. Scroll down. Now go to XRP. Here. Select. And then enter your XRP wallet address. And then enter your destination. Okay. 36 21 20 16 50. And use okay, and then confirm. As you can see guys, withdrawal fee is free. Okay, confirm. Now I have to enter my authenticator wallet or code. Confirm. As you can see, I successfully. Okay, go back. As you can see guys, I have sent 186 XRP. Here as you can see, sending to network. Okay, let's go to my Luno wallet. Refresh. As you can see guys, here, and here's my balance, 2.2 10.68 cent. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Oh guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you.
sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I.